let me introduce myself. My name is Chanda. I am Chanda, and I'm a professor of library science subject, and I also make English related videos. I like making that kind of videos because I always wanted to do some other things. That's why I started making this kind of blogs or videos, and I have made 2 videos earlier, and I hope you watched and you enjoyed that video. Okay, so I just want to say, if someone is trying, we should encourage that person, so that they can improve, and they can do what they want. Okay, yeah, I am on the roof right now, and you know that what happened few minutes ago. It rained for 2 hours, and now everything is so fresh, and green trees seen. I can see around me, and because after rain, you feel like everything is speak and span and green and greenery. So, but after that, the sun the sun is shining right now. You can see. So it's around 5 p.m. in the evening, and still sun is shining. So it's a good weather. It's a pleasant weather, I must say. So I have seen lots of YouTube videos, lots of bloggers, and they made easy way. But I thought like they shouldn't have used lots of vocabulary in between, because sometimes as a beginner I find difficulties. Sometimes I don't get exact meaning of that particular word. That's why I thought we should make simple and easy sentences blocks, like I do. I know that I do mistakes. Everybody does mistakes. It happens when you speak in flow way, practically, because if you are not habitual of speaking that language, because we are living in India, right? And we used to speak in our mother tongue. I used to speak in Hindi just spoken here. That's why I couldn't get chance to speak English with anyone, and all these stuffs I didn't do. That's why I find difficulties when I get chance to talk in front of anyone. But if I talk to deliver my lecture, as I always do, I can speak with my subject about my subject topic in English. But in conversation, in this niche, like conversing in English, I'd be thinking like, oh, what should I say right now? Oh, I have told one line, then what should I say, another line, what would be? I start thinking like that. That's why I thought and rest of the time I would be writing. That's why I don't get chance to talk with anyone, and also I don't get chance to go anywhere. I don't have time also, because I in the evening, what I do after this blog, what I will do, just I will I will teach my both son them, and I will help them in making their homework, and I I I do these kind of things, so that they can feel like, yeah, my mom is teaching. And yeah, because you should give your precious time to your children, right? Because whole rest of the time you are working, you are doing something, and when you start feeling guilty inwardly, like I didn't take care about our children, and I didn't talk to them. That's why I I spend with them in the evening when I get time. Um, we spend some precious time, some quality time, and we enjoy a lot. Yeah, um, they didn't come on the roof. I came here alone, because they are studying right now, and I came here alone because I was getting bored, and I was continuously writing, and I was not getting any thought and any ideas on which I can write. Or because whatever I wrote today, I found it like it was turned into wrong way. I got frustrated, and I thought, okay, what I wrote is absolutely not good. And then I stopped writing, and came here on the roof. so that I can record, I mean, little blogs of myself. I know that this kind of videos um, encourage us a lot, but I think we should say to anyone like, please don't use any high vocabulary or any advanced vocabulary in conversation, because beginners, they don't get your word or because we are living in India, right? So we are not habitual of that language. So that I I want to know about the ideas and all these things, because as I told you, like, yeah, maybe I'm hesitating right now, but after uh, 1 to 2 months, I would be absolutely not in that way. I'd be in my best way. I know that, because you keep on doing the same thing, you will definitely, I mean, master at all these things. That's why. Um, I think like, okay, I'm hesitating, I'm fumbling a lot. So what? I will make, definitely I will make a video. Yeah, and I'm making it right now. So please encourage me, uh, because you know that, as I told you, like, it's not my work making blogs. I'm not blogger. I'm not a blogger. uh, I'm a professor, author, mother, wife, sister, and daughter. Lots of roles I have. So, but blogger, I'm not a blogger. I'm trying to be like that, but I'm not saying like, um, I am at great level. So yeah, that's why I said, uh, like, whatever the situation is happening like around you, you should speak on that topic. So the weather is so pleasant today, and you know that gentle breeze is blowing, and I'm feeling so. I'm feeling so good here on the roof, because it's a cozy and pleasant weather for me, and I always like that kind of weather, spending time with nature, and because as I live here in mountain area, and lots of scene you can see near my house, and I enjoy on the rooftop daily. That's why I come here. Like I think like I will make any blog, but after this blog I will definitely enjoy, because yeah, my son, they are about to come on the roof, and I will enjoy with them definitely. So yeah, I'm not, as I told you, like, your blog should not be so long. That's why I decided to make it very short and simple blog, so that anybody can understand my blogs, my videos, as my intention is like, is making fun and short and simple blog with simple and easy English language, okay, if you enjoy watching my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, so that I can post lots of blog of these types. And of course, after lots of videos, I will be more fluent. Like I'm speaking right now, I want to be more fluent in that language. That's why I thought like, yeah, I will record myself, and I'm recording. Okay, it's time to say bye bye. So bye guys. I will enjoy here, of course I will. Bye bye. Bye.